Welcome back, viewers. Are you looking to maximize your workspace and enhance your viewing comfort? In this video, we're exploring the top 6 monitor mounts that can transform your desk setup into a more efficient and ergonomic environment. These mounts are designed to provide optimal flexibility, allowing you to adjust your monitor's position with ease to reduce neck and eye strain. From sleek minimalist designs to heavy-duty options that support multiple monitors, we'll cover the best features and benefits of each mount. Whether you're setting up a home office, gaming rig, or creative workstation, these mounts will help you achieve the perfect viewing angle and declutter your desk. Stay tuned as we dive into the details of each mount, helping you find the ideal solution for a more comfortable and productive workspace. Number 1. Mount It. Dual Monitor. Mount. Elevate your workspace efficiency and comfort. Introducing the Mount It. Dual Monitor. Mount. A versatile and robust solution for optimizing your workspace. This dual monitor arm is designed to support 2 screens up to 32 inches and 19.8 pounds each, ensuring stability and flexibility for various monitor setups. With adjustable tilt and swivel arms, you can easily customize the viewing angles to reduce strain and enhance productivity. Compatible with VESA 75x75 and 100x100 mounting patterns, the mount offers both C-clamp and grommet installation options, providing secure attachment to your desk. Elevate your workspace efficiency and comfort with the Mount It. Dual Monitor Mount. Number 2. HUANUO Dual Monitor. Stand. A more comfortable and efficient work environment. Introducing the HUANUO Dual Monitor Stand, a fully adjustable monitor desk mount designed to enhance your workspace and productivity. This versatile VESA bracket supports 2 computer screens ranging from 13 to 30 inches, with each arm capable of holding 4.4 to 19.8 pounds. With its ergonomic design, the stand allows for effortless swiveling, tilting, and rotating, enabling you to find the perfect viewing angles and reduce neck and eye strain. The HUANUO stand offers both C-clamp and grommet mounting base options, ensuring a secure and stable setup on any desk. Transform your workstation with the HUANUO Dual Monitor Stand for a more comfortable and efficient work environment. Number 3. Tabletop Mount Single Monitor Desk. Mount for any modern desk setup. Introducing the Tabletop Mount Single Monitor Desk Mount, an adjustable gas spring monitor arm designed to support screens up to 32 inches and weighing between 4.4 to 17.6 pounds. This sleek black monitor stand features a VESA mount bracket for compatibility with a wide range of monitors and offers both clamp and grommet mounting bases for versatile installation. The gas spring mechanism allows for easy height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, providing a customized and ergonomic viewing experience. Perfect for enhancing productivity and creating a clutter-free workspace, the Tabletop Mount Single Monitor Desk Mount is a must-have for any modern desk setup. Number 4. Suptek Monitor Mount. Organized setup and improved viewing comfort. Introducing the Suptek Monitor Mount Gas Spring Monitor Arm, designed for full adjustability and compatibility with monitors ranging from 17 to 27 inches and weighing up to 13.2 pounds. This sleek black desk mount features a gas spring mechanism for effortless height adjustments, tilt, and swivel, allowing you to achieve the perfect ergonomic position. The mount supports VESA 75x75mm and 100x100mm configurations, offering flexibility and stability. With a modern design and easy installation, the Suptek monitor mount enhances your workspace by providing a clean, organized setup and improved viewing comfort. Number 5. ErGear Dual Monitor Desk Mount. Elevate your productivity and workspace efficiency. Introducing the ErGear Dual Monitor Desk Mount, a robust and versatile solution for enhancing your workspace. Designed to support dual screens up to 35 inches each, with a maximum capacity of 26.4 pounds per monitor, this heavy-duty mount features a sleek black finish. It includes built-in USB ports for convenient connectivity and offers height-adjustable arms to customize your viewing angles. Compatible with VESA 75x75mm and 100x100mm mounting patterns, the ErGear mount allows for effortless adjustments to achieve optimal ergonomics and reduce desk clutter. Elevate your productivity and workspace efficiency with the ErGear Dual Monitor Desk Mount. Number 6. Desk Mount Ultrawide. Monitor Mount. Enhanced comfort and productivity. Introducing the Desk Mount Ultrawide Monitor Arm, a heavy-duty solution designed to support curved monitors ranging from 17 to 49 inches and up to 44 pounds. This black monitor arm features a robust gas spring mechanism, allowing for smooth height adjustments and customizable viewing angles. With both C-clamp and grommet base mounting options, it ensures a secure fit on any desk. Compatible with VESA 75x75mm and 100x100mm standards, this arm is ideal for creating an ergonomic and clutter-free workspace. Upgrade your setup with the Desk Mount Ultrawide Monitor Arm for enhanced comfort and productivity.